guys, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for being here with me today. These are my colours. First one is Persephone by this little piggy, one of the new ones, and TLP Psych, which is neon teal, TLP Abalone, also a new one, TLP Unicorn, which is a blue violet shift, TLP Billabong, Amsterdam Greenish blue, and this is various turquoises, metallic turquoises all mixed together. You know, when you've got little bits left, I always mix them up together, so I don't know exactly what they are. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to just add a little bit of water. I use the water from my water spray, so I don't add too much. I don't want it too thin, because then your cells become distorted and wonky. This is Jo Sonja Aqua and Pebeo Phthalo Emerald. And my cell activators today are, I'm using titanium white, which is equal parts of Amsterdam and Atelier metallic copper, and Amsterdam permanent blue violet. All three mixed with Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint. And my canvas today is a 40 centimetre 16-inch round, and I always spray the back with water to make it nice and taut. Just snipping back in to tell you I'm going to show the embellishing, the brand name at the end of this as well. It's just a low sheen, just used acrylic paints, dark Xazine purple, which was a transparent, a turquoise, which was a semi-opaque by Atelier, and a gold, which I think that would be a semi-opaque as well. I'm trying to think if I used anything else. I think I used I used sapphire blue by Deco Art as well. Okay then.
If I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
forgot to say the acrylic pens that I've used, they were bought from Amazon, and I will list them all in my description box with the links as well. And everything else that I've used, they'll all be listed as well. As always, so you click on the video title, it takes you straight there if you're looking on your phone, iPad or computer, but you can't look at the description box if you're watching on your TV. So thank you all for watching. If you'd like to take the Shelley RD course, you can click on the link in my description box, which takes you straight there, and also there's a link to save you 15% off the course. You can use my discount code, which is, as I listed in the description box too. And thank you all for watching, and any questions, ask in the comment section below. I will get there eventually. I don't have a lot of time lately, but I will reply eventually. Stay safe, take care, see you all next time, bye.